Shopify Checkout Page Customization Tutorial. So if you want to edit the look of your checkout page, what you can do is that you can go to Settings and then go to Checkout and then click Customize right here. So when you do that, you will be redirected to your Shopify theme editor, and then you can see the checkout page right here. Another way to access this is that you can just also click the theme editor right here in the online store, and then from here click edit theme, and then you can click the pages right here in the drop down, and then you can go to checkout and customer accounts, and then as you can see you will be redirected to the same checkout page. And then from here we can customize it in different ways. So we can add a logo for our Shopify store. So instead of just having the name of my Shopify store right here, I can just go ahead and select the logo right here, click done, and then that should now be added right here. And then you can also change the width if you want. And then for the logo alignment, you can align it to the left, to the center, or to the right. So I prefer just having it right here to the left. And then for the logo position, you can choose if you want a checkout form like this, or you can have the full width right here. So it depends on your preference. So I personally prefer the full width look right here. And then we can also customize different things, like for the color of the background. Right now we're using white. You can choose other background colors right here as well. So for example, if I choose black, as you can see, the text automatically adjusts its color as well, depending on the background. So if you want to have like a more customized look, so for example, I'll put like this gray logo right here, or this light gray color. So instead of just having the plain white color, we have this gray color right here. And then for the order summary, you can put a background if you want, or you can just go ahead and have the color change right here. So for example, if I put in an image, so let's choose an image like this one, click done. As you can see, it will be applied to the whole background right here, and then you can see the subject of the background right here being cut off. So it depends on the size of your picture, but I don't prefer this, so I just prefer having a plain color right here. So let's make this like this dark color right here. And then for the colors, you can change the accent, the buttons, and then the error. So for the buttons, it has a blue color. For the accent, it also has a blue color, and then for the error, it has a red color. So you can change that if you want, but I prefer just having it like this. And then for the fields, like for the text fields right here, you can choose if you want it to be transparent or color white. So I prefer having it color white so that the customer can see it more clearly. And then for the headings, or I mean the fonts, you can change this if you want. Like for the heading fonts, it's using the default font, but you can change this, for example, to mono. And then for the body, you can change this, for example, to Anek Tamil font. So as you can see, it will be applied to the font style right here. And then for the checkout layout, you have two types. You have the one-page checkout, and then you can also have a three-page checkout. But this is more tedious to the customer since they will need to go ahead and go to different pages. They need to go to the information, to the shipping, and to the payment. So you can do this if you prefer having this for your checkout page. But I personally prefer just having this one-page checkout so that the customer can finish their checkout faster. So just choose the layout that you want. And then you can also turn on if you want to have the autocomplete and then the buy again button right here for your customers. And then once you're done, you can click save. So unfortunately, that is the only way that we can customize the checkout page right here, since Shopify has protected this checkout page to minimize the errors that can be done by the designers. So that's why you have like limited customization options right here. But for example, if you want to add like some more text, like a warning text or like a confirmation text, what you can also do is that you can install the Shopify Checkout Blocks application for that. So from here, I will go back to my Shopify dashboard, and then let's go back right here and exit again. And then from the search bar, just search for checkout blocks. Oops, sorry. Checkout blocks. You should see this application appear right here. And then just click on that so that you will be redirected to the app page. From here, click install. So this is free to install. It doesn't have any payments. Then from here, let's go ahead and install this. Then we should be redirected right here to the Checkout Blocks application. And then we can click Blocks, and then we can click Create Block. From here, let's click Open Editor. And then as you can see, this is the steps that we need to do. We just need to click on Static Content and then select the page where the block should appear and configure the block settings and then save. So click Open Editor. From here, you have the Checkout Blocks application right here. So you can either choose a dynamic content or a static content. In my case, I'll just add a static content, and then you can choose if you want to add it to the thank you page or to the order status page. So I'll put it in the order status page, and then you should now have this static content block right here. And then you can go ahead and type in the things that you need to type. So for example, we can put in like congratulations, and then you are eligible for a 60-day money back guarantee. So for example, like that. And then you can change the font size like this, and then you can change the alignment of the text, and then you can change the font appearance like information, base, warning, success, subdued, or bold. So I'll put success right here, and then you can make it a collapsible block if you want, but I'll just put the false right here so that the customer can see it right away. And then for the content type, you can choose if you want plain text or like a border box or a subdued box or an info banner, a success banner, a warning banner, or a critical banner. So you can also put like a warning banner. So like for example, disclaimer, we are experiencing slow deliveries right now because of a problem with the shipping company. So you can also put that if you want, and then depends on the message that you need to put in right here, and then you can just go ahead and click save. And then you can go back, and then you can also add a static content block to the thank you page as well. So for example, like this, and then let's put in congratulations, you are eligible for the 60-day money back guarantee. And then let's put the success banner right here, and then we can put the success font appearance right here, and then you can click save. But that is basically it. So that is how we can customize the Shopify checkout page. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.